Lodera Epiten principal loko Kabirmaido Technical Institute Boniface Ninsime ngesalim daibe kwape somero ekapana kes ai gang ke Esisiak tisha Kenya perote ai topolon akroni kamana kerda inonosho kech.
This is a special day in my life, and since I joined this institution, this is my first day have such hands-on events. The use of the cultural institutions is to promote cultural values. So this institution is supporting 100% these associations because they instill discipline into students by not adapting Western beliefs.
Konyeja nguldang loda kamanara keda iman manane kisomero konyont kotomno district loko amolatar koraide rionget loko lasa nesta buki woro Ambrose Okwir ngesa baladaibe akironi kamanara keda inono kes chut mame perta olior na aridio peti bore yani todun tungun kere nesri kamanara kedi kirurai lude jatatar itunga kereng.
The most obvious part of culture is your name. Ginete kwao amiya ngiro benyi ana bedonga Okwir yiri bedonga empower, and for you are Enzime. That is really your culture, because Enzime would not accept to be called Okwir, would you? No. Okwir would not accept even to be called Enzime, because his culture is a Runyangola culture. I am Okwir of Lango culture. Is a part of human culture. Okay?
Kosodi Pius Ebinu Lodea era education officer kotomno district loko Kabirmaido ngesabu ko limdai ben inonosho keserasi iboro libusa kenditung aitup noino ngululwa joka narai erai eiponedio petele kamna kreda anyundabe itemoino aiboy nakada itunga.
So I do encourage the student body to pick up culture seriously, the good practices, harmony, cooperation, peace, working together, hard work, and all that must be part of our culture. We must not get into laziness, taking what does not belong to the community beliefs. Exactly that.
Kotomna da na petan mi kamra ke da were e grupun lwegi tigita kes da pot koperes ai to duna were kes kwa penat ngun lwe geneta ai wateus na koteso kene da ngun lwe genete ai chaka ke jeno ko lango ai moret ne feke di mo e utas da ai bina kusudi lude genete akumama kes da pot chaka ta ke jena ka keche teus. Kotomana suban kanu apone da jauna ngarno ko lutetya kusata isilair kesi kusida inan kes da iya pesin kusudi ngulu anyo nete kes da poto peres ai kopar iya pesin kede da jauna balwan nitodontos aswam na jokan na dalem itoleste kesin. Michael Onyinge, TV East, ko Kabirmaido District.